Hi, welcome to Creator Tips with Okus. Do you know with a great thumbnails you are halfway to YouTube success? Remember, thumbnails are hooks that draws viewers to your YouTube videos. Today, I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how to create a professional YouTube thumbnails using Canva software. Canva software is a free software, user-friendly, and it is perfect for creators at any level. All you need to do is to sign in with your name, your password, and your Gmail account, and automatically it will take you to the Canva workspace. So without wasting time, let's begin with a practical demonstration of how to create a professional thumbnail. Now, from your browser, you type in canva.com. This is the Canva workspace where you can create your design. Okay, this is my workspace. All my previous jobs, they are all here. So the previous job that I've done before, and from this workspace you can see clearly, at the top here you see what will you design today. So now you see the other option said YouTube thumbnails. All you need to do is to click on the YouTube thumbnails, and now it will open to the free design template. It all depends on your niche. So this is exactly the workspace where you have different templates. I decided to choose this particular one that I want to use now. I've clicked on it and it has opened. You can see this is one of the free templates that I'm going to use to demonstrate this. Now, these templates, you can decide if you want to use this particular templates to create your thumbnail. You can as well use this one. You can decide to delete this one if you want to change the font. Okay, if you want to change the font, you can re-edit it by changing the font. You can see what I'm doing now. I'm trying to type. I'm typing. Okay, maybe creator. Let's say, for example, creator tips with Okus, for instance. That is my thumbnail type. Maybe, for example, if I want to bring in another picture, now I'm deleting all the font because I want to create another one from scratch instead of using the existing templates that are there. Now, all the elements that are embedded in this thumbnails, now I'm deleting everything because I want to create a new one from scratch. This is the background. Now it is now plain. Now I want to start creating my own because that is the most important. Most times when you see the free templates and you feel, because it's fast and it's easy to use, and once you get used to that, in a situation where you want to create your own thumbnail, it becomes difficult. That was the reason why you see I decided to delete everything from this template and I want to start from scratch so that you can be perfect in creating your own. That is, if you want to get free background, you need to go to search. From top here you see search. You type in the background that will suit your niche or your thumbnail that you want to create. So there's going to be a samples of background that will come in. So now I'm scrolling down to get a perfect background. Now I've seen one. You can see this one. Okay, now you have to click on it and it comes straight to the workspace. So all you need to do is to expand it to cover the whole space. Okay, it's very, very important to expand it up to cover the whole corners so that there will be no space. This thing means text. Then you can select. There are free tests that are already inbuilt there. Some are paid version and some are also free. So it all depends on the ones you want to use that suit what you want to do. So now I'm going to select. Now you click on add text. Now I'm already typing the title of what I want to use for my thumbnails. Take for example, master content creation. Master content creation, that is my title. That is my title. You can see when you click on it, you can pull it up, pull it to the left, pull it to the right, pull it downward. So now you have to highlight because I want to give it a color. Okay, so that's it. So these are the type of different fonts. You can as well, make it more bold so that it can be eye-catching, it can be visible. Here you can choose the colors that you want. Is it pink? It all depends because you have a brand and you must try to maintain that kind of brand, color brand. I want to also create a text shadow, a front shadow. So what I did, I right click on it and also copy it, and I'm pasting it because I want to place this front in the other front so that I will have a sort of a shadow in the font. The next thing is for you to look for a picture that suits your thumbnail. So now I'm going straight to where I save my pictures. Is to scroll up. Now when you click on upload, it will take you to your desktop where you save your pictures or your videos. So another thing that is also very important is that before you start creating your thumbnails, you must have a folder. You have to be organized. Have a folder in your desktop where you have all the effects, all the background, all the pictures I tend to use for your thumbnails. So it makes it faster. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks for watching. And if today is your first time watching our video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends and loved ones. So without wasting time, let's go. Now I've just found this one, which is okay. Now it's already downloading to the workspace, to the Canva workspace. Now this is the picture that I want to use. So your picture must not be something that is not sharp, that is dull and all of that. So it must be very, very attractive. Okay, so if you look at the top, that BG you are seeing is called background remover. It all depends on what you want. There are a lot of features. Some are free, some are paid version. So now you can see I've clicked on it. Background remover is now removing the background automatically. You can see that's good. You can see this is it. Yes, you can see it. So what I'm going to do now is to adjust it. You go to edit where you see filter. So from the filter, it will give you different color, different color styles that you want. So now let's see the color that will be better of ground. So like this one now is better, this Capri. Okay, you can see now there's difference between when I uploaded it. So this one is a little bit sharper. Okay, if you want to also create a shadow background picture, okay, if you want to create a shadow background picture, you can copy this particular one and make it duplicate it. Okay, copy it and I paste. When you copy and paste, you can see you have two now. So you can shift one to the other side so that you have space. Now this other one now is for me to turn it to when you click on edit, it will take you to where you can adjust it, the color to plain white. So when you click on adjust, it will give you different. Okay, so you scroll down to give you the white balance that you want. Okay, here you have contrast, you have brightness, you have sharpening, okay, you have black, you have saturation. So here you begin to adjust all of this to 100. Adjust all of them to 100. You can see the picture is already changing, because what we want to achieve is to give us a plain white background that will act like a shadow in the other original picture. Then now you can see, when you see white, you change it to 100, and now you see the picture now. Then when you see the black, you can as well adjust the black, okay, to the left. Take note of this, it's very important. The black to the left, then other ones to the right to give you 100. Now it has become plain white. Okay, so this one is the shadow. You're going to shift this other one now and place it on top. Then you expand it to fit in, to align with the background, the shadow, the picture shadow. Now see what I'm doing. I'm trying to adjust it now, okay, so that you have that tiny white lining as a kind of a background. Now that I'm done with it, so the next thing now is that I just realized that the background is too white, it's too plain. So I want to change it to another background that will make the text and the picture to come out clearer. So these are some of the challenges too that we are going to face. Sometimes when you choose a background, the background might not go well with the picture and the font. So what you need to do is to change the background. By the time you change the background, you will find out that the font and the picture will come out very, very clear. So let's see if we change this particular background to give us a better look. What you need to do, you right click and click on this three dot. When you click on this three dot, scroll down to set image as background. Now when you click on that, it will automatically go behind this existing one that you don't want. There's difference between the previous one and this one. So what you need to do, you can still work on the front colors. Okay, you can begin to reset them to align perfectly. Okay, you can adjust the picture, you can adjust the text, you know. Then even if you want to change the cyan, if you want to change the text color. So now I want to bring in some other elements. Arrows. Take for example, I want an arrow that will show what I'm trying to portray. You can twist it, you can turn it to suit. Okay, you see now. Okay, so at the bottom you see that curve icon that you can use to turn the element. Okay, now I'm done with it. I've positioned it the way I want it. I'm bringing in another element, laptop for instance. So I'm positioning the laptop. Then the next thing is to look for camera, PNG camera, but this one has a background. So what I need to do is to also remove the background, okay, because I have that paid version. So now it's removing the background from the camera. So all you need to do is to adjust it to enter the space you want it to be. Okay, you have to adjust it to make sure that everything aligns. So now I want to type in my social media handle, like creator tips with Okus. So what you need to do is to type creator tips with Okus. You can also change the font color. Okay, I'm changing the font color so that it can be eye-catching. Now I decided to use white, which is okay. Okay, now I'm bringing in my logo. and place it anywhere you want. Okay, you can either put it at the top or at the bottom, wherever you think is appropriate. Let me place it here. Okay, let me place it here. Okay, so that's it. You see the difference. Now you go up to share. Same process. You download. Now it's already downloading. The corrected one is downloading now. Then after that, it will download to your desktop. Okay, now see the difference from the previous one. So this is more professional and eye-catching. No matter what, if you upload this on your YouTube page, it will definitely be a hook that will drag viewers to click. If you find this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video to your friends and loved ones. And don't also forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss our subsequent video coming your way. Bye bye.